So today I'll be teaching you this song I made. It sounds very nice. It's pretty short, so you should be able to learn it pretty easily. There's just three chords. Let's check. This is F minor. This is G minor. And this is C minor. There's F minor, C minor, G minor for this one. Yes. So those four chords. Sorry, three chords. These are only three chords you need. Then there's some left hand. Right hand. Sorry. So if you look here carefully, you see we split it like this, not like that. Not too fast. So if you see, so these notes are going very fast, and while I'm switching over here, the D is played. So it's like it goes like that. When I'm pressing the D here, I'm switching over here, and the D sharp is when I'm doing this. That should be played like that. Then after that, you have this. This is it's like kind of like a roundabout or something. And there's a swing. That does that. It's not like you could play like that. It doesn't sound that bad, but that's not correct. So you do. It's like you're going down G F D sharp. Then you play this like that. So you come back. So you have this note also. When you press this note, you change here. So that's the first part. And you could repeat these chords. So if you want to go a bit more further, I haven't done this in the performance, but this is also you could do. So I'm playing this chord twice when I stop in that break. That sounds very nice. And you play this in a bit of staccato, like I forgot what it's called, like tenuto or something, like half staccato type. If you play like that. Even in the second part, you could do this. I haven't taught this yet, but I'm gonna do it. So now let's move to the second part of this, where we go. So it's the same thing. And you can do this if you want. It's basically the same thing, but these notes change. You hear that. And then so D, G, F, G, four notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then four notes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, like that. And there's a different version for the F minor. When you're beginning on the D, you could press the F minor. And you can repeat this twice. It has a much better effect on the sound. Now I'll be playing it with everything I have told. That's how we play it, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.